Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to show y'all what I've been up to today. Okay, I got a corned beef brisket up in here. I'm sous videing it. I have it in a double bag. I'm not going to take it out. But this is my sous vide thingamajig. Had an Eon, and it's set for 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and I had set it to cook for 8 hours. So I got 3 hours and 34 minutes left. And I'll be throwing in some potatoes. These ain't potatoes. Carrots. Some Brussels sprouts. I guess at the 2 hour mark, I'll throw these in there. And when I got 1 hour to go, I'll throw in these potatoes. And let me point out that whenever you sous vide, you have to protect your work surface. I have a silicone trivet under here. This is just like taking a hot pot or a hot pan out of the oven. You don't want that constant heat on your countertop. And definitely do not sous vide anything on a glass table. Okay, so I got up this morning and washed, seasoned, and vacuum sealed these vegetables. And I had some meat. What is this? Okay, I got some cube steak. I'm going to freeze this. I got 2 cube steaks. I got some burgers. Did you know you can sous vide hamburgers? Just throw that in there. Of course, my chicken. Washed, seasoned, sous vide. No. Vacuum sealed. A single burger. And some more cube steak. And I season it with yellow mustard and pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And I season the chicken with, I don't even know what's in here. Just about everything in my cabinet. And for the potatoes, I put a little olive oil in the bag and pat of butter. Pat of butter in the carrots. And I didn't put any seasoning on the carrots. I just like the natural flavor of carrots. And I season the baby cabbages with the same stuff I seasoned my chicken with. I want it to be very flavorful, and I put about a half a teaspoon of sugar in here because they have a tendency to be bitter. I don't want no bitterness. Okay, I'll be back and show you all when I add the vegetables in here. And I'm using my Instant Pot. The Instant Pot insert. Stainless steel. It works great. It's nice and heavy duty. And I bought this blue lid on Amazon. And I cut this flap in it myself to fit. To keep the water from evaporating. And it works. And I protected my counter with a silicone trivet. That's the red you see peeking here. Whenever you sous vide something, protect the counter and definitely never put it on a glass tabletop. Because it will break your glass table. Okay, y'all. I got 2 hours and 14 minutes left on the sous vide. I have a corned beef brisket in here. It's been cooking for almost 6 hours now. I want to cook it for 8 hours. So I'm going to put in my Brussels sprouts that are seasoned and vacuum sealed. I'm going to put in my carrots. Take this off. want that steam to get me. Let me see. This is going to raise the water level to over the max. Oh, it didn't. But the carrots will. Tip some water out. I'm going to see. This experiment for me. It's a little over the max. There's a little. I'm gonna leave it. Put this back on. So this is how this came. And I cut this with some scissors. I measured this is floating. They tell you to put a spoon in the bag if it floats. I'll put something on top of here. Something heavy. What I got? Nah. Y'all ain't never seen nobody sous vide anything like this before, have you? Look at this. Weighing it down. Okay. I will be back at the end of 1 hour and put in my potatoes. I got potatoes in there. It takes about an hour for them to cook. Okay, y'all. The meat has actually been cooking for 10 hours. And the vegetables for 2 and 3 hours. We're gonna see. I have to weigh the lid down with this bowl. Let's see the meat. Here are the Brussels sprouts. I ain't have no fit for that. I want the meat. Now put water in here so it wouldn't be too salty. I double bagged it. When I was vacuum sealing it, it was pulling the liquid up into the vacuum sealer from this first bag. So I double bagged it. Okay, let me cut this. Let's see if it was worth all the trouble and cooking it for such a long time. It don't look like it's done, but it is. It's supposed to cut across the grain. Let's see. What's across the grain that way? Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm gonna taste this. Corned beef brisket. It's been cooking for 10 hours. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mm-hmm. It's good. I'm gonna seal this bag back up and put it in the fridge. Here's my taters. Put oil, some olive oil in here. Just one little bit hot. I'm gonna taste a Brussels sprout. Walter was waiting for the Brussels sprouts. Come on now. Nice and green. I want to taste it. Ooh. Mmm. Good. Piece of potato. Okay, I put the potatoes in there last. Oh. I can break the carrots. I don't want no carrots. Okay, I'm probably make a meal tomorrow. I'm just gonna eat this a little bit right now. But this is good. This was all day cooking. It's very tasty. So how I'm gonna store this stuff? And I actually could have cooked the meat for 48 hours at a lower temperature, but I don't want to do that. Okay. Everything was delicious. Don't look like it's done, but it is. Good and done. Seasoned good. Nice and tender. And this baby cabbage is good. Y'all know I don't eat too many vegetables. And the Brussels sprout is not soft and mushy. It's done, but it still got some bite to it. Good, good. Okay. I'll probably make a meal out of it tomorrow, because I ain't hungry right now. I ate the leftover nachos that I fixed the other day. So I'm just getting used to my sous vide machine. So I like it. Now, if you're starving to death, you don't want to sous vide your food. But I chose to cook this corned beef brisket a long time just to see. And I like it. I like how it performed. I like how the food turned out. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. It's 9:21 p.m.